This is a old amplifier transformer. Now I am going to check this transformer. This is secondary center tap. This here are two secondary. These 5 wire are for the primary voltage. This 5 wire are for the primary voltage. This two, red, black, white. Okay, I am going to check which wire is for primary. Look, here we can see black and white 120 voltage, 0, 120, and blue, red and violet is 0, 110, 120. Blue is 0, violet is 110, and red is 220. Red is 220 red. Now our primary voltage is 220, so we have to series the section. These two, black and white, is 120 voltage, 120 voltage, and blue, violet and red. Blue violet is 110, and blue red is 120. So here is two section. In our country voltage is 220, so I have to series. I am using this series lamp to check. I am using this series lamp. I know you have this light system, this series system. It's a very easy way to check. Now this plug, I am plugging and check the light. It's okay. This is the series system. It's black and black. Okay, I am plug out first. Be careful about voltage. Don't shock. Okay. This is okay. 0 voltage. Neutral I connect ready. Now phase, the positive, the phase. This is the phase. Look, the bulb is lighting but half. That means 110 goes to transformer, 110 voltage have for the light. Now I am going to check the another section. Another section is violet is a blue is the 0 neutral. Blue is the neutral. I am doing according to the written. Okay. Now I am plugging red. The violet is the 120 volt, 110 voltage, 110, and red is the 120. Look, light is little bit small. Light is little bit small for this case. The red one is the 120. Now I have to series. I have to series together the white and the blue. This both will be together for 220 voltage. I am making short. I am shorting the wire. Now this black is the 0 voltage, that is neutral voltage. Black is the 0 neutral voltage. It should go here. And I am plugging again. Be careful about electricity. Okay, the violet violet will be 230 voltage. There is 110, 120, and here is 110. That means 230 voltage the violet, and the red one is 240 voltage. Red one is 240 voltage. Now I am going to fix it here. Here 130 voltage, 230 voltage. These are 230 voltage. Our voltages are like that. Now I am plugging and check the secondary. Sorry. These two are secondary. One is high voltage, another one is low voltage. Now I'm going to check the AC voltage. AC voltage, this one is the high voltage, the blue one is the ground, yellow one is the AC. AC is 62 voltage, another AC also 62 voltage, 62 voltage transformer. This one 62 voltage, 20 ampere. If I use the red one, there are 62 and red one will be little bit lower. I know that little bit lower it will be, because there are 10 volt. Look, 59 voltage. Here is 59 voltage. And again I am fixing with the violet. Violet is good. 230 voltage. Now I am going to check again. Look, it's 62. Violet is good. Now I am going to check another one, the small voltage. The gray one is the center tap. This one 17 voltage. This one also should be 17. Wait, here is loose. 17 voltage. This one 17 voltage for the pre-amplified section. 17 voltage, and this one for amplified section 62 voltage, 20 ampere. And this one how many voltage I don't know, maybe 5 voltage. Yes, this one 6 voltage. This one 6 voltage. Maybe this one for soft on circuit or another, I don't know. 6 voltage. Anyhow, we can use this voltage. Now I am going to use this transformer again. You can see next part where I will use this 3 are for AC voltage. These 2 will be together, and this 3 as you want. The violet will be 62 voltage and red will be 59 voltage. 2-3 voltage difference, and ampere also will be lower little bit in red one. Violet will be good. 230 voltage. Red one is the 240 voltage. So we are going to use black and violet. It will be good for good ampere and good voltage. Thank you for watching the video.